Geography and your Arkansas Climate Summary is at 9 a.m. February 15, 2025. There may be in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison. WNG 608 serves the people.
Tornado watch! Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 150 in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in the listening area in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, Sebastian, and Washington. In Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. In Missouri, Derry and McDonald. In Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Choctaw, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Latimer, LaFleur, McIntosh, Mays, Muskogee, Nowata, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Osage, Ottawa, Pawnee, Pittsburgh, Pushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagner, and Washington. A tornado watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. The National Weather Service in Tulsa has...
There we go. Scared me.
Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, Ottawa County in northeastern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southeast of Chautauqua to 11 miles west of Welch to 3 miles southeast of Nowata, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Miami, Veneta, Grove, Commerce, Chelsea, Fairland, Afton, Quippaw, Welch, Bernice, Ketchum, Blue Jacket, Wyandotte, Big Cabin, Pitcher, Honey Creek State Park, Bernice State Park, Clearup, White Oak, Narcissa. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 273 and 324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma.
Tornado warning. There we go. There we go. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, west central Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a city building. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Barton County in southwestern Missouri, eastern Newton County in southwestern Missouri, northern Berry County in southwestern Missouri, Lawrence County in southwestern Missouri, eastern Jasper County in southwestern Missouri, Dade County in southwestern Missouri until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Mindingmans to near Jasper to near Carthage to Diamond to near Seneca, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Neosho, Stockton Lake, Amonet, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Limerick, Marionville, Granby, Greenfield, Sartixy, Pier City, Purdy, Lockwood, Jasper, Diamond, Golden City, Miller, Wheaton, Verona. This includes the following highways: Interstate 44 between mile markers 18 and 58. Interstate 49 between mile markers 36 and 39, and between mile markers 45 and 65. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Whoa, what was that? Shut up! Ah! Shush!
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, southeastern Craig County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Rogers County in northeastern Oklahoma, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Oklahoma, Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles northwest of Bernice to 3 miles southeast of Adair to 4 miles southeast of Tewa, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include J. Pryor Creek, Grove, Shodo, Inola, Locust Grove, Salina, Afton, Langley, Colbert, Kansas, Adair, Bernice, Ketchum, Spavinaw, Disney, Oaks, Pensacola, Hoot Owl. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 293 and 298. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Arkansas, northeastern and east central Oklahoma. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Go. Here we go! Oh.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County in northwestern Arkansas, northwestern Washington County in northwestern Arkansas, Delaware County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Mays County in northeastern Oklahoma,
why did you just update it?
northeastern
God
Oklahoma,
damn, you guys are lazy.
east central Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Southwest City to 3 miles southeast of Spavinaw to 5 miles north of Hulbert, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Springdale, Rogers, Bentonville, Tahlequah, Siloam Springs, Stillwell, J, Bella Vista, Lowell, Pea Ridge, Gentry, Tontatown, Bethel Heights, Gravette, Cave Springs, Decatur, Westville, Locust Grove, Salina, West Siloam Springs. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 75 and 93. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Arkansas and northeastern and east central Oklahoma.